were aggrieved for the undergoing reasons, which though are now in the past, as one cannot make progress in life while holding on to the past. More so, in the course of our reconciliatory talk with Dr. Nat Yeduma, the DG support groups, he made us appreciate the fact that having worked with His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar for upward of 38 years, that it is not in his character to do the following. Number one, to totally neglect his support groups who have drummed support for him from Yola through Abuja to Port Harcourt, as insinuated and captured in our letter to His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, of total neglect of all aggrieved Atiku support groups of November 5th, 2018. Two, that His Excellency Atiku Abubakar does not approve of the obnoxious political philosophy of monkey dey walk, baboon dey chop. Three, that His Excellency would on no account align himself to the idiosyncrasy of use and dump political strategy. This is to the effect that he only traveled out of the country immediately after the PDP presidential primaries to catch some rest and subsequently prepare for the forthcoming campaign of February 2019 general elections. Number four, that His Excellency never approved of a microscopic few in APCO to sit on top of funds released to support groups for their own personal interests. Number five, that the Waziri of Adamawa will on no account condescend to nepotic deployment and clannishness. He will not condescend to undue favoritism. He will not condescend to marginalization, oppression, and suppression. He will not, on any account, give contract award to self and bodies. Again, it is important we have it on record that Her Excellency Titi Abubakar invited us to have residence in Amazon Street, Maitama, on November 12th, 2018, where she pleaded with us to sheath our swords. She passionately asked us to be patient until her husband, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, returns from Dubai. That she would personally present the matter to him and ensure that our request is looked into. Unfortunately, however, our spokesman then, Bello Asaritin God's Power, aka El Mikado, the group leader of Atiku Reloaded, for his self-seeking interests, went ahead to take the matter to the press and thereafter claimed that all of us, the 145 aggrieved Atiku support groups, have abandoned Atiku Abubakar for Buhari. This was aired by a number of media stations and also captured by some newsprints. You can reference the Sun newspaper of Tuesday, 27th of November, 2018, and page 2 to be precise. Consequently, therefore, we have come to put the record straight today. We have come to disclaim that falsehood as peddled by such self-seeking leader of Atiku-related support group, that 145 of these groups abandoned His Excellency Atiku Abubakar for Buhari. We have come to state categorically that of the alleged 145 support groups, not less than 140 groups, as you can see the mammoth crowd gathered here now, are still with His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar.